Sita Mata is also a Gudakesha. She was there in the Ashokavan, and she was meditating in the night also. She was not sleeping, lying down. And Parvati Maa says that you have the advantage that you can, it's like it's a war between you and Ravana, internal war is happening. But you have the advantage. Ravana sleeps, you do not sleep. That's the reason you win the war. That's what Sita Mata was in his mind, in her mind. She was doing a lot of war is happening between the Ravana and Sita won the war, internal war. See, she suppressed the Ravana's mind power. So that's the reason external war, Rama can do it very simply and easily. So she supported like that because of the Gudakeshas. She was meditating all night. So she achieved that kind of a next level of the mind control, grip over her own mind, and she can able to beat the Ravana.